With your latest South Texas Health Minute, I'm Tom Castañeda.
New year, new you. We've all heard this saying. Each year, people around the world make New Year's resolutions often relating to their health, whether it's losing weight, exercising more, or eating better. Unfortunately, less than 10% of Americans keep them, and there's one main reason why: impractical goals.
So it is very important to set realistic goals, like don't set yourself up for failure, and to kind of see it more as a lifestyle change.
If you do resolve to do your body some good in 2022, here are some ways to improve your overall health and well-being. Eat a high-fiber diet rich in whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. Include good carbs like whole grains and healthy fats like plant oils, nuts, and fish. Aim to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Avoid sugary drinks. Opt instead for water to quench your thirst. Take a daily vitamin for an extra health boost. Sit less and move more, making sure you get at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily.
For more information, visit southtexashealthsystem.com.